Hey guys, so this is the Revel scooter. We're gonna try it out today in Astoria. We reserved the ride on my phone maybe like 15 minutes ago, so we got 1 minute remaining to start this up. So I'm gonna press start ride. Okay, so I'm with my girlfriend, so you should put 2 riders just for insurance reasons. Okay, so there's the scooter starting up. Here, can you hold this? Thanks. Okay, so they give you like a minute to like get familiarized with the scooter, put on the helmets, stuff like that. So we'll be back. We're gonna go for a short ride and show you how to start this thing. Okay, so we just put our backpack inside of the little trunk that they have in here. Works pretty good. Okay. So to start this thing up, you gotta press the Okay, so to start it, you have to flick this one and then just click the green button, and that should show a ready sign. So now if I pull the trigger, it'll launch me forward right into traffic. So if you come somewhere outside of the zone, you could easily just put the kickstand on and leave the bike in like a designated location. So let's say I want to stay here on Roosevelt Island. I turn off the bike. Okay, so I took it off of ready mode, and I got to open up the app, and I could pause the ride here. So right now I'm pausing the ride, and actually I did something silly. I forgot to put my helmet back into the trunk before pausing it, so now I gotta unlock it again. Okay, so in the app they request you that you like back into a spot, kind of like this. They don't want you to face the wheel the other way. So now I'm just gonna put the kickstand down. And the ride's not over yet. You gotta make sure that you put your helmet away. So always make sure to open your trunk before you end the ride. Okay, that's it.
Alright, thanks for riding with us, guys. The ride's pretty smooth as a passenger. Not that bumpy. Just make sure you keep your feet on the pegs and lean with the turns. Yeah, and make sure to use our promo code for 20 minutes of free riding. It's gonna be somewhere here.
Also, make sure that you leave it in a place where it will not get a ticket tomorrow. So, alright, thank you.